I've made a little bit of a mess, and I think you'll have to see this. Shoot, I think it's about to rain again. But like, look how many pieces. Look what happened. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh, man. This one's looking nice though. You see those? I have the honeycomb through and through like that. I could harvest that one, but it's not 100% done yet. This one's not 100% done yet either. Oh, man. Oh, wow. There's a lot of bees in here today. These were the frames that I put on yesterday. Look how they've already started this one. Pretty nice. You can see that one's pretty nice. It's a good start. I'm going to lock these frames in. I'm going to bring this frame... Stop trying to sting me. I'll smoke you again. You know what? I'm out of smoke anyways, pretty much. I might as well clean the rest of whatever's here. Oh shoot, I'm actually out of smoke. It's not good. It's never good to be out of smoke. Wow, look at the daisy chain they've got. I'm going to start this.